Hi there! Welcome to another help video. In this video, we'll be going over the Additional Pages section of the Menu and Pages tab, so let's jump right in. In this section, you can add pages here that are not intended to be created directly into the main menu as subpages. Additional pages do not automatically appear in your main menu. They live in the admin panel until they're linked to another page. To add a new page, enter your page name here. There are then two boxes you can check. Checking the Share Page box will allow the page to be shared to other sites in your group if you have multiple websites with us. Checking the Blank Template box will remove the header and footer from the page. This is a good option for unbranded pages. I will now show you an example of a blank template page. As you can see, there's no header or footer. It's a blank page with no branding. I added a sample page titled Peyton's Page for this video. Click the page slug to view the page. As you can see here, there's a lot of branding on this website, making it not a blank template page. You can click the pencil icon to edit the page. You can add as many stack items as you want to each page, and the process of adding a new stack item works just like the other stack items we reviewed in previous videos. If you want to edit your stack item, click the item name to enter the content editor. Here is where you can add more words, photos, links, etc. If you want to completely delete the page, you can click the trash icon. After making any changes, be sure to click the Save Changes button in the bottom right-hand corner. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click our page demo, visit our help center, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.